pick it up.
Ah, okay.
How are you?
I'm doing all good, ready to rock and roll. I mean, it's as cheesy as it gets, but it is what it is.
Fucking
Good.
hell.
Yeah. So, any news from Sam?
I don't know.
No, still in booting process, booting up. Ah, he's still calling. Yeah. God. Sam. How was everyone's weekend?
That was good.
It was good.
Yeah. That was yours.
You had a long weekend, Brent, didn't you?
Yeah. Yeah, only took like a few days off last week, but it's
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
tough getting back into it again.
Yeah, and what I can tell you, yeah, you didn't miss a thing, You
I
didn't
guess
miss a
that's
thing.
fair.
Market's trash. Has been very difficult though, very difficult. Today it looks like promising. Anyhow, well, we gotta start. It's
Looked like
9:02.
AMD was still looked like AMD was still trading okay last week.
Mm. So yeah, we have lots of good plays today. Actually, it looks like a glorious Monday for a dead month. But let's see. We got AMD, as you said. Well, if anything, AMD has a Momo hammer lower than yesterday's close, and this to go to oblivion. The target is 90, 89, 90. It's around that area, but it can, it's a pivot machine gun, and it can pull back any time around that area. So I don't know.
What stock is that?
Hey, look who's here. Sam, what's up, bro?
So,
All good?
yeah, what stock you talking about?
AMD. It's the first time.
AMD.
The first stock you're looking at, yep. Yeah, on the break of uh, Friday's LOD, we get a Momo hammer. If not, this is a pure long from here. It's the best long you can get. Your stop would be around, I don't know, 70, 80 cents, and your TP would be around $4 or $5. $5. So let's see that if it reaches to the high of pre-market price, or it reaches lower than yesterday's close. Even pre-market is lower than yesterday's close. So I said that there is a very strong push to the downside, AMD. So I got a request on what was the stock he was asking for? Somebody asked me something. Let me cover it for him. So yeah, Fastly. FSLY. So Fastly is dipping down, and yeah, it looks like it to break of HOD. So we can ignore. Do we have a volume pre-market? Nope, it's dead in pre-market. So anything above anything above 42.10 would be a buy price. If it falls back down, yes, less than I say 44.80 ish, 48 ish, 40. So then you have a short continuation. So Fastly would be that. Actually it's a 212 bullish continuation if it breaks to the upside. Did we have it on the list last night?
Yes.
Ah, we did. Très bien. All right. So Fastly, yeah, area. So AMC. AMC, as short as it looks, I say it's long today. If we can break above, if we go back inside of the Hulk, 32.89 would be a good long. And because we had a breach into broadening formation, then it got rejected. We didn't even have one candle close outside. Then we have a 2-2 rev back in. Then again, my apologies. Then we had a 2-1. Now we are going for the 2, and the 1 failed to go outside of the broadening formation. So I say that broadening formation is in play, and it is forcing the price to the upside. I'm bullish on AMC today. Magnitude 35.20, 35.10-ish, let's say. Anything around 35, between 35.10 would be my magnitude. Microsoft. Let me see the Qs first. We have. Yeah, it could go up today. I just took a look at the Qs. Microsoft, we are on FTFC. We have long, which obviously we're gonna go long. Long off of 290. Sharp. I mean 290.05, but 290. What else do we have? We get Z. What's this company anyway? Any idea? Z is called Zymergen. Okay, I don't know. Is it a German or Chinese? Yeah, okay, I'm not going to touch this thing. It looks like short, but that big gap, I'm not going to touch it. Any news on it or any split? Or I don't know. All right. Now it's inside. It's an inside change of the company. Okay, I'm not going to touch this. Fundamental. All right. So. Okay. So we have Tilray. I haven't had Tilray luck with Tilray in ever. If ever. We are at the bottom of a broadening formation. Not the bottom, but the formation looks like a push to the upside. Let's even go this one. If you look at this way, we have the middle of the broadening formation. Push to the upside. Well, anyway, it breaks a pre-market high in 10 cents. Nah. Tilray, pass. ASTR. I don't like the way Tilray, the setup is forming. Yeah, it is 212, but I don't like how it's forming. 212, ASTR. I traded ASTR last week. It's a dead stock. But we get a dead cat bounce right now. It looks like more of a short because of all of the highs of the candle for last 2 trading days. The pullback on Friday, last trading day, is more than 50% of the candle body. And I have told you I don't like when it is more than what percent it is. So I give a pass on ASTR. Fastly, I just said it.
What did you say about Fastly?
All right, I'm going to go through again. Fastly, it's more of if it breaks above 41.50, which is in 80 cents from now. It's a long. But if it fails and if it goes anything lower than 40.70-ish, which is we are at 81 now, I consider it a short. So we just 40.80 because previously it was 41.20. So I'm expecting a pull back to the upside, and then I will short it
Hello?
at Hulk.
Hello.
Hello?
Okay.
Hello? Oh,
Q1.
Yeah.
Then.
yeah, I'm here. Do you hear me?
Okay. Yes.
Yeah, I got phased out for a second. I can see I have a timeout here. Everything got disrupted. God damn it. Alright, so Fastly, I said that anything above 4150 would be a long, and anything lower than 41, I say 41. No, 40, 75, 70 I want to say, but we are too close to that price now, and we could fake out. Maybe 5-minute ORB in play on this one, or even 1-minute ORB. Let's see how it forms. Fastly, I put it on a short list because the FTFC is on the short side. But it could go if we get above 4150. It looks up to 4450 to the low of gap, where gap started. Square does it have volume? Nah, it doesn't have volume, but it's to the upside. Square to the upside, but I don't like the price point, so I guess I'm not going to touch it. Even if you want to go short, it looks like a good short from here, but it needs a little bit of pullback to the 275. Yesterday's close. I'm not going to touch the square.
Why not?
What's that?
Why not?
Yeah, because of the price point. I just don't like I can get on board, but for $270 something stock, okay, like at the moment we have $12.45, and the freaking ATR is $12, okay. So in best case we get $4.5%, 4.5%, not dollars, 4.5% change in the stock, which if you it consumes all of the buying power that I have. So I'm not going to touch this thing, but maybe one.
I mean, the thing is, yeah, I understand the price point, but if you use entries and exits, like let's just say like me and Brent, where we base that on dollar value, and you're buying like,
yeah, I do that one too,
20
man.
shares or 25 shares or 50 shares, you can still make like hundreds of dollars on this if you play it right. So that's just my opinion.
Okay, so let's say you buy 100 shares for $1 loss, so you will get $100 loss if you like at the moment. If you get 1 hour loss for me, it will be $100. So $1 $1 for stop. The best stop that I can pick right now is $2, more than $2 higher. So I have to buy 50 shares. Does it even worth being in this trade?
I mean, it's all perspective.
It's perspective. It's just perspective. Yeah, it just maybe on 5-minute formations and 5-minute setups. Yes. Yeah, most probably, but not when it is. I have to choose a $5 stop, and it could just rip my face off. I will check it on. Okay. Anyway, I put it on the short list, and if it goes lower, I will short it. Lower than pre-market low, it will be a good short. But let's see. If it goes lower, actually it's not that bad, because then it's gonna be like 60 cents of stop. Yeah, I could do that. I could go for that. And 60 on for short, for going short, it would work for me. But it is against FTFC. QS. SQ and QS. That's interesting. Nah. ON, the one that Sam was talking about yesterday. Looks like a juicy short. Yeah. Anyway, this is the double-sided trade. Lower than 45.15 would be a short. Higher than 45.50 a long. This is one of those that you can go both sides. But FTFC is to the long side, so yeah, man, that's enough. I have 7 already in my watch list. What's up with you, Sam?
I'll be right back, guys.
Okay. So, what about you, Brent? Anything?
I think I'll keep an eye more on AMD, AMC, and Hood probably.
Hood?
Hood just for the fun of it, maybe.
Oh, Hood
I
is
don't know
in
if
a
I'll
good
seriously
volume
trade
this
it.
morning. Yeah, Hood
Yeah,
got a good
it's in
volume.
there anyways. Last week it looked like it was quite in play.
No,
You know,
last
ladder-
week was the
ladder
IPO. Last week was the. Yeah,
No,
right.
but when it shot up like to 85 or whatever, got in that ride. So yeah, it was definitely in play.
Yeah, one volume. But let me check that who's in volume today. Oops, sorry. All right, so Zoom has volume. Sorry, ExxonMobil has volume. Volume. Seriously. I just picked up on myself. So Zoom, Exxon has volume. Hood has volume, and Hood looks like a good. Hold on, let me see it again. Hood looks like a recovery long.
Yeah, it looks
Yeah.
like it's finding support here, and it looks like it's finding value possibly around this 50 somewhere area.
What I don't like about it is that the both 2 and 1 are bearish. That's what I don't like about it. And then also you can see the shadows above. I mean, we are not 1%. It's okay, but the shadow above that Hulk day, massive day that went up, that's a little bit. Gives me a little bit of cold feet. But anyway, yeah, it's a new week, new me. No, actually not new me. I'm the same person. So it goes.
New Dell.
Nah, I'm the same person doing the same shit over and over. So we will have. Let's see, Oracle. Can you believe Oracle, a blue chip company, just has 1,000 shares volume, 1,200 in pre-market? Like even
Yeah,
is anyone
Oracle
even
has-
looking at it? AMD is good too. It's 621,000. Fastly is no good. Nah, the best one in play is Exxon, AMC, and Hood. These bad boys are the best one to trade. Just these are just coming from pre-market volume
Yeah.
and constant volume. It's not like one chunk of one chunk of market being traded at once. No, it's just being constantly traded on high volume. And Hood. I traded Hood last week, one trade, and I think I lost money on it. It was half hour loss.
What, did you buy it at the top?
No, I actually bought it around that big red day.
Oh, on Thursday,
Yeah,
the 5th.
yeah. I bought it on that day, but it didn't work.
Yeah, that was a $16 move there, hey?
Yeah.
From the low to the high.
Yeah, nasty move. Yeah, 7% in one day drop. Oof.
Mhm.
I mean, numbers are that big that we don't care. Like we have 100% drop in a day, so 7%. Like, what about what's the fuss all about? But in pre-market, it's very strong, showing bullish songs. So we can go even long right now, because it's forming a very, very, very beautiful long move, bullish move. What did I say? Long, bullish move.
It's at a strong pivot level right now too, pretty much. 793.
I don't think market gives a flying saucer about that level at the open, with the volume that it has in pre-market, and is increasing 100,000 per minute. We reached 1.6 million. ExxonMobil is on a short list though. So ExxonMobil is just a 122, and I'm thinking about shorting it anything lower than pre-market.
XOM. Last equals
So
57.01.
I should change this. I get
All right. Just have to get to the bathroom before open here.
Yeah.
So, all right. Thanks, Dell.
Yeah.
Thanks,
Have
everyone.
a good one. Yeah.
You too.
See you
Chat a
guys in
little
a
bit
recap, hopefully.
Sounds good.
Rent you out?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just gonna get
All
a
right.
little ready for the open here.
Okay, I'll see you guys or talk to you guys for a recap.
All
You
right.
bet.
All right. You
All
bet.
right.
Yeah.
All right.
Have a
See you
good
guys.
one. Ale,
All right,
you stay
guys.
around?
Yeah.
What's that?
Yeah. No, Ale. Yeah, because
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Yeah. Good. All right,
I
guys.
mean, I could
Have a good one.
too.
Have a good one.
If you guys are sticking around, I can stick around too.
Oh yeah, of course. I mean, I'm sticking around, and the Twitch and Twitter is sticking around, and all of the YouTube guys are sticking around. So feel free to stick around.
Del,
Yeah.
no fui a tu casa porque estuve en contacto con alguien que es
I
positivo.
know.
¿Lo sabes?
I know.
No recordaba si te lo había dicho.
Nuh-uh, I know. COVID time, folks. COVID time. Well, how do you feel? Ça va?
Oui?
Ça va?
Oui, ça va. Ça va. Ça va. For the moment, I have rien.
Ah, rien. Et Apollo Martin,
Ouais.
comme ça, il ça.
Comme il, com-
Comme ça, il ça. I
comme
think
il
so.
va, comme il ça va.
Comment ça va?
Ça va bien.
Ça va bien.
Oui, oui.
Hood is in uprise. Yeah, it looks like a good long right now. It finally broke the level. I'm going to go. Thank you for bringing attention the hood, Sam. Bringing to the attention. I don't know why it didn't show up on the.
Yeah, I don't know why either. It's kind of weird.
Isn't it? Let's see. There's something with formula. Remember, 80 cents ago I wanted to go long on hood. Yeah, it's 80 cents higher now. It says that NYC and Nasdaq. This one is Nasdaq. Why does it show up then? Anyway.
Hmm.
I should have bought. Yeah. Some music. Oh, and Sam is on the move. The one that you said. It's breaking its levels.
I think Owen's gonna be just I don't know, I'm not gonna really touch it till I feel like it's gonna waterfall.
Yeah.
If it does.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. So let's see what we have here. This was a break. All right, let's go. I didn't get feel on this thing.
Got Bill not good.
All right. Okay. Still not showing up. All right. Okay, square on the move too. Yep. All right, it's open.
AMC.
Good luck, guys.
Equals 32.88. Got Bill not good. MSFT. Last equals 290.07.
mute the stream.
Yeah.
brought it to attention and to our attention. Now we just had it on.
Ah, shit.
Mm-hmm. When freaking Microsoft is playing dumb like that, I don't know what else to touch. So Sam, when are you available for next? Let me write in the group for the next for the continuation of the class. Yellow.
I'm just in a trade. I'll
Oh, alright.
Hey Del, I'm gonna get going, buddy. I'm available anytime. Just let me know, okay?
What's that?
I'm available anytime. Just let me know.
Oh, perfect. All right, so let me talk to him and then get back
Well,
to
I
you.
mean, like not like I truthfully I prefer aftermarket hours
Oh,
because
sure.
I don't really stop trading all day. But anyways, let's try to decide on the time.
3 or 4, I will get back. I will be putting it around that time.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah, have a good one. Yeah.
Bye bye.
No. So. All right. So Ali, you would participate too, right?
Yeah, if I can, yeah, of course.
Okay, perfect. If you can, no, you should.
Yeah. I have nothing better to do.
Yeah. That's a good response. When that's
Yeah.
your priority, that's a good thing to say.
Yeah. So most of my loss was on EMD trying to go long.
Hold on, let me open up. AMD try to go long. All right.
No, sorry, trying to short it, but
Which way?
okay, I will send you a picture. Okay.
Because this looks like a good short.
Yeah, I shorted at the beginning. I don't know. Okay, let me send you a picture. Okay.
Okay.
I have someone fixing the AC here.
Oh.
So if you listen something.
Yeah. If you are hearing someone honking around here, it's because I'm living next to a hospital and people are so respectful to the hospital. That's why I should say. I don't hear anything from you. Mine is the noisy one. Okay.
Are you still trading? Because I don't want to disturb you right now. if
No,
you're
I'm right.
trading.
No, it's okay. Multitasking is my gig. Okay, open. Let's see what you have here. Okay. ON. So you have gone short at the top.
Yeah.
Hold on,
Yeah. Wait a minute. The guy is calling me. Oh shit! I'm here.
All right.
I have to say I did bad things here.
Yeah. I mean, when you go that when you have that much of drawdown, yeah, you gotta stop.
AMC,
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm on AMC, so.
yeah, even though I lost a bit here as well, I didn't
Uh-huh.
manage well my stop loss here.
Let me get out of AMC. If it gets
Uh-huh.
out here, okay, let me see.
Ah, c'est la merde. I did
Yeah.
a lot of shit today. Shit. I am not on red though, but I could win more.
Just stop. Just stop. You know,
Oh, yeah.
it's just you have made a lot, but you're losing it. So if you don't touch it, you won't lose. So what's the point?
Mm-hmm.
What's the point? Like Hood, I shorted Hood at fucking 57. I know 57. No, yeah, 57. But then it went down all the way to 56, 65. But I was already out with the loss because of the, because of the getting weak out of the fucking market. So if it was based on 5 minutes, I wouldn't, but I did because I just didn't pay attention to the higher 5 minute. So that's what's happening, and it's just like a messy trash. You know.
Mm-hmm.
Like
And
the,
I'm super happy.
what's that?
You were saying?
Like in a drop in AMC, you remember I called it out, both Hood and AMC. I'm in the AMC one, me myself, big time, like 3,000 shares. But it's just me. And I got in. I mean, you could go in based on 212. The drop that just happened on 5 minutes, 212 bullish. Bearish continuation. Why is it bullish?
Yeah.
Because I'm looking at the blue candle. What is okay? I mean, even if it's like this drop is nice. I think you just need to find that point that this thing goes in your direction, and just always respect your risk and reward. Always respect your R. Because go on 5 minutes and count how many false signals it gives you, like 10. Okay, during the day it may give you 10 false signals. But you're expecting 1 to 5. It gives 5, 10 wrong, 10 wrong, or 10 false signals. But it gives also 10 good signals, which doesn't. But if it gives 10 good signals, then you will have a 50-50 chance. With 1 to 2, you will be already 5 or 6 or up.
Yeah.
So always paying attention to the amount of risk that you have is the key.
Okay.
Alright, other AMC. Look at, yeah, I call hood, right? Look at this.
Yeah.
How about that? So it took a long time to break, but I mean, long time considering like it's just 1 hour of the market. But
Mhm.
but it is it's not that bad considering that this stock is in play big time. I had a bad move one in the morning. I went long, then it dropped back on me. I normally don't trade in the pre-market at all. So normally I don't trade in pre-market. That loss wouldn't be realistic for me. But then I was thinking about going long. I went long, got wicked out at the break of HOD, which I was wrong. I shouldn't have gone long there. But well, you know, I did, so it is what it is. And yeah, I will be. And actually, I'm just going to call it a day. At least for now. At least for now. I will get back to you in. I will get back to you in maybe 20 minutes, something like that. 20,
How many?
20, 30 minutes.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Talk soon.
Good.
Yeah. I will call you back. Yeah. All right. So I'm getting back to the. I mean, my entry is. My entry is 55, and at the moment, now it's just at the break even again. Now it's even negative. But anyway, so I will be. I will finish this stream today. I will be trading off of the stream, and today will conclude a losing day. Oh man. Today will conclude a losing day, especially with the unnecessary drop in all of them. A very ugly drop down here. I mean, I got all of the money back here because now I went in heavy when the highs got rejected, super heavy, and I recovered all down here. So this was a very good move. So $1, almost $1. Yeah, yeah, so this I covered here. At this point I was up big time, also the same as AMC. This was a negative move, but then this was a negative move, but then going all in at this breakout and then covering all here was made my day. These are the rest. These are not even all putting together are not even minus 3R. So then we have I will do a recap later today in the afternoon. Yeah. All right. So thank you for watching today, guys, and I hope you had a good day and continue trading and have a nice one. It looks like stocks that we put in the watch list, they are doing what we expect them to do at the moment. Hood was like, yeah, we were expecting to go higher, but after it became a red to green day, the stocks that are they made the red to green day, and they are already or green to red move. They're gonna stay most probably in the same with the same price range, and I'm not going to just add or go in anything like. But there are some of them that they have capacity for more better moves. So I was not expecting Fastly to just get there, but anyway, I'm happy it did. And Skew was expecting, I guess Skew was the one that we were expecting both sides, although it's unbelievably when I'm long all of the move, I missed all of the move, and then when I chased, like this what happens, and then I didn't get in after it touched the mark. And Exxon also unnecessary loss here, but anyway, it is what it is, and can't do anything about it. Yeah, so you have a good day, guys, and from here I'm Del. Have a nice day.